Alanator, and so in this video, well, yeah, my computer kind of brokey. I spilled water on it. We need to fix it, so we're gonna do that today. I have a checklist of things I'm gonna look at. So I'm going to look at the GPU, clean the motherboard, check the CPU, and do a BIOS flash. So I've been using my Nintendo Switch, and actually I put up a Linus Tech Tips video, so I have something in the background. But I've been using my Switch to watch YouTube, and it is a pain. The main reason I haven't made this video yet is, like, since I posted that community post, is I was waiting for some Fromal paste from Noctua. April, once again, thank you, ordered some Fromal paste. We're gonna have a lot of screws, and I'm gonna keep them organized somehow. So I'm gonna head over to my desk, and I'm going to put my mouse on the ground and I guess put the screws with the parts they go with, basically. So I'm taking off this back cover piece thing for the PCIe slots. So I put the screws next to it. Now I gotta take out the GPU itself, and yeah, you can kind of see it. Yeah, there you go. Press this and pull her out. But yeah, we're gonna remove our SSD here. One big chungus screw. Well, that heatsink is perma attached basically to that freaking SSD, so yeah, no. Alright. Got the SSDs out. That looks really empty now. Got the SSDs out. Now going to open up our RAM slots. There's one. Here's another. Take the RAM out. The all new RAM 1500. Yeah, that one. Take out these. Take out the audio. Oh yeah, whenever I'm inevitably gonna have to unscrew my motherboard. Whenever I do that, I'm gonna make sure to do some other things. If this thing was freaking screwed in on the bottom, oh, that would be a big old nightmare. But yeah, you can see the piece here. Alright. The case is now very bare. Holy crap, that looks weird. Whatever. That I'm going to do last. First, it's going to be the SATAs. And actually, after my PC is fixed, however long amount of time that actually takes, but whenever it is finally fixed, one of the first things I'm going to do is organize it. So, yeah. Alright, this dreaded USB 3.0. Hopefully I don't rip it off. Okay. Okay. Did I bend pins? Did I bend the pins? We will now check. Actually, I can't really get a good shot of it from this angle, so maybe in a second. Okay. So we have gotten all of that out. How in the frick? Okay, get out, sir. Oh, I zip tied it. Alright. Well, those should still be accessible. Now we're gonna take out the Mobo. Yay. The Mobo board. We're gonna grab these. I'm gonna take out the Mobo board real quick.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Ooh, God. That was a little bit more violent than I was expecting it to be. Okay. We're gonna put that motherboard aside on the glass. Just hopefully that doesn't. Hopefully I didn't break a lot of those pins there. So, case is now empty. This hasn't been like this for like frickin' 7 months. Whatever. Right, drop all of these cables inside, whatever, doesn't matter. Put this over here. See, kids, this is why you keep your motherboard boxes. If you need to do an emergency test bench. Oh, here she is. Alright. I can just leave the SATA connected for now. That shouldn't affect anything. Shouldn't. Okay. Whew. That was a really painless process. Oh God, that thermal paste. Ugh. Now I gotta clean it. So to do that, we take our Q-tips and some isopropyl alcohol. I have 70%, should be fine. Grab this. Grab a bit of this, and we're gonna take out this. We're gonna clean the CPU, and we're gonna take out the CPU, and then we're going to flash the BIOS. It's like freaking gone. Nice. And we're gonna have to do this process a few more times, but hopefully it'll be worth it. I did take out the CMOS battery, so that's why I'm reinstalling the BIOS, just to make sure. Get that CPU nice and shiny. My hand now smells of rubbing alcohol. Yay. Now I'm gonna clean off the heatsink. Yeah, we're gonna have some nice fresh thermal paste from Noctua, so yeah. So if this fixes my computer here, then it actually should run better than before, ironically. Alright, I grabbed not a towel, but like a little thing. Oh, you haven't been able to see anything I've been doing. Oops. Yeah. Clean off the old thermal paste. We're not just repasting the CPU. We are, but not yet. So now you can actually see what the frick is going on. We will do this scary process. Get out of the way, sir. Oh my God, I don't remember if this. Oh God, that scares me. Get out of here from me. I'm checking the pins. I'll check the pins in a second here. Now I'm less scared about handling the motherboard because there's no CPU in it. We're just gonna give it a tiny little bath. Just a small one. Just a tiny bath. Especially like around here. Oh yeah, one thing I can also fix is the I/O shield. We're gonna also take the CPU cooler and the back plate, and we're gonna put them next to the CPU-ish. I'm kidding, I'm gonna put them on a completely different freaking shelf, because I don't want anything to happen to that CPU. So that is some delicate freaking machinery right there. once we return, I'm going to do BIOS flash. So, yeah. Clip one end. 53, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we'll just say 25. 53, 25 over. So, we have, I've let this dry a little bit. We're gonna take out the CMOS battery. Oh yeah, this CMOS battery was like really corroded. Like there's a ton of corrosion on it. So it's fine. I can physically see the corrosion on the frickin' thing. It's fine. Remove this. I should be fine on top of the CPU socket. It's just like a piece of plastic. Alright. Well, I gave the CMOS battery and the total a little bath real quick. So, yeah, we're gonna wait like another 5 minutes. Ugh. Ching. Plug in the power supply unit. Switch her on. Plug on our drive to the correct slot. It's named MSI.ROM. And press this. Now, children. No, get out. Alright, we're gonna watch this thing do its thing. Yep, that makes sense. Gonna watch the thing do its thing, sure. And it's been quite a bit of time since I actually used my computer, which is why I'm trying to, fix it, because I kind of need it. And, yeah. I tried all of the normal troubleshooting options, like taking out one stick of RAM to GPU testing. I got it to walk once, but my keyboard didn't respond, and I don't know why. And then I think it like shut off, so, and then it never did it again. It's done now. Okay, cool. It's finished. It's done its thing. It's probably pretty toasty. Not that bad. Alright, dunk. Goodbye. And we're gonna remove power. Remove this boy. Come on. Dunk. There you go. Put my flash drive away again. And, yeah. Also, off camera, I checked the CPU pins. They're fine. None of them are bent, so. Well, good. At least I don't think none of them are bent. Alright. Looks like the power is now officially gone. So we will remove that power. There you go, nice and easy. And I'm gonna check for the last time of like some corroded things. Alright. Oh god, no. Lots of tension, dunk. CPU good. Alright. Now we bring in the newcomer here, Fromo paste. And grab our CPU heatsink. Alright, now I have some space, kind of, to work with. Now I gotta take this back plate, put it on. And 10 million, million other things at once. Great. Alright, back plate. Normally on AMDs you don't have to worry about the back plate, but I guess that's different today. Oops. Alright. So the recommended is like a pea-sized amount in the middle. There you go. And now our thermal paste will never be used again, basically. Alright. Okay, back plate's on there. All good. The fan faces towards the I/O, I remember that. And CPU fan connector goes there. So, yeah. And then you want to plug in your fan. So now in theory, if we boot the system up, the fan will start spinning. At least in theory. In game theory. Oh shoot, here we go again. Make the RAM a little bit drunk, you know, the basics. Alright. Well, our RAM is now less drunk. Foam pad. It's a really weird texture. Okay. I'm gonna stop it now. Call it quits here. Line it up. Dunk. Grab small boy screw. And hopefully installing my other drive will actually be a lot easier than that first one. A, this one doesn't have a thermal pad. And B, last time I installed this Crucial P3, 1 terabyte. NVMe, SSD. Yeah, that one. Last time I installed this, I was doing it while the Mobo was still in the case. So that makes it a little bit more difficult. But it's in there. Well, I can't really avoid this now, so we actually have to put the motherboard into the case itself here. This is the money shot right here. Okay, make sure the little latch is open. And dunk the GPU. Yeah, very anticlimactic, but not here for the spectacle of it. There's the computer. We're now going to flip the power on. What in the frick? Okay, that's a good sign. It instantly lit up. That's a really good sign, actually, because that power button has given me so many troubles before. After boot up HDMI 2, please. Get rid of that cable. RGB lit up though. No signal. Okay, that's a little bit bad. Ah! Aha! We did the thing. Here we are! Yes! We got my computer running again! Finally! Oh my god, that took forever! Heck yeah! Alright. We're gonna fix some of these things here. Holy crap! It works. I am so freaking happy. I never have to use my stupid freaking Switch ever again. This is advanced overclock. Where is our DRAM? Here it is. Although I don't know here yet. DRAM frequency. Here we are. My memory, I'm going to clock it at 3200 because I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Because I don't want to push my RAM, but I do want it to not be default 2666 because that's really slow. Yep, it's 3200. So we're going to enable it to be 3200. 3200 DDR4. Mouse is a little jittery, but that might just be a BIOS thing. Save configuration and exit, yes. I'd love to do that. Although it says no signal. It's a little bad. Although that did it before, and then it just kind of undid that. Hey! Let's go! Although that's... that's a little ominous right there. Preparing automatic repair. Oh, frick. Continue. Just continue. Just let me have my computer again, please. Been without my computer for so long.
Deja vu, I've just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go.
Oh, it's going back into automatic repair. Let's... Okay, I'm gonna look this up. So, yeah. I'm gonna... But it... Windows, okay, cool, whatever. But I have the frickin' thing. Yeah, grab my frickin' Joy-Cons, because my Pro Controller decided to be so frickin' stupid. Donk. Whoosh. The reason why it wasn't booting? The boot option. You know how I was talking about cleaning up my computer and getting rid of the hard drives? It was trying to boot off the frickin' hard drive. Shut up, Steam! Anyways, I kept ending the video because I'm stupid. But yeah, Pooter walking. That took way too much frickin' time. That was really annoying. My Switch is now banished to the wasteland for life. I can finally live stream and do all that stuff again. My gosh. It took it's just pain. So, yeah. Thanks for sitting through this shenanigan land of video. But yeah, Pooter is walking. Finally. It's just annoying, man. Anyways, Telinator signing out. Bye, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified. Why the frick do I only have downhill beta 0.1 and 2? Where's 0.3 and 4? Whatever. When I upload.